Hi, so in this video, I want to talk about how to save and share different GIS products. So here we are in QGIS. Imagine that this is my fault mapping. This is a line shapefile. So the first thing I want to make sure that I do is to save my file, to save the shapefile. And so to do that, I want to click this save button, where it says Save Layer Edits. You'll see once I click that, it then turns gray. So I know that my fault confidence ranking shapefile has been saved. So then I'm going to come here. This is in my directory called GIR shapefiles, and this has all of the work that I've been doing in QGIS. Now, suppose I want to turn this in, this is a homework assignment or one of the later mapping projects. So there's a lot of shape files here, and it's quite important that you turn in all of them with your assignment. First, I'll go through and tell you what these files are. So the most well-known is this shape file, and this is the vector spatial data. Most people like to send this and not the rest, but actually you do need to send the rest. So what do these other files represent? So this CPG stands for code page file, and that tells you how the data in the file has been encoded. Not all shape files have these, but if they have it, you must include it. This DBF, this is a database, and it has the attribute table and object ID information. Incidentally, this type of file can also be opened in Excel. This PRJ is metadata, contains the coordinate reference system. And this is important for knowing what coordinates, essentially what address the different points that you've mapped have. This SHX is the index file, and it's used to search through the contents of the GIS file. And then finally, this fault confidence ranking.qml file here is the style file. And so that's used to tell QGIS what color and line symbol to use for these lines. So it's important that you send all of this information when you submit any of your homework assignments for this class. And to make it even easier for me to open it, it's best if you take this GIR shapefile, and then if you zip it, so in a Mac, if you say compress, and then that will generate this zip or zip file and send me this file with your homework assignment. So incidentally, when you're doing the later mapping projects, which will take about a month, it's always good to do backups at least once a week. And so say we're 1 week into the assignment and I've spent a number of hours working on this GIR shapefile, then what I might want to do is copy it, put it in the same folder, and then add the date. So today it's February 3rd, 2022, so that then this file is just sitting here. I'll continue to work on this one, but if something happens to my folder, then this is saved, and better yet, even send this one to yourself. So great. So in summary, when you're sending your GIS homework in, please remember to send all of these files. They're needed for me to be able to grade your homework, and then zip them and send this actual ZIP file.